In 1982, Exxon scientists wrote a report on the greenhouse effect and said the report is intended to familiarize Exxon personnel with the subject, and that it should be restricted to Exxon personnel and not distributed externally. A 1982 Exxon scientist report acknowledged that fossil fuel combustion and the clearing of virgin forests, deforestation, are believed to be the primary anthropogenic contributors to increased atmospheric carbon dioxide, although the relative contribution of each is uncertain. Exxon scientists concluded in 1982 that the carbon dioxide content of the atmosphere is of concern since it can affect global climate. In 1982, Exxon scientists concluded that carbon dioxide and other trace gases contained in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, ozone, methane, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, etc., absorb part of the infrared rays re-radiated by the Earth. This increased in absorbed energy warms the atmosphere, inducing warming at the Earth's surface. In 1982, Exxon scientists wrote a report on the greenhouse effect and concluded that considerable uncertainty also surrounds the possible impact on society of such a warming trend should it occur. At the low end of the predicted temperature range, there could be some impact on agricultural growth and rainfall patterns which could be beneficial in some regions and detrimental in others. At the high end, some scientists suggest that there could be considerable adverse impact, including the flooding of some coastal land masses as a result of a rise in sea level due to melting of the Antarctic ice sheet. In 1982, Exxon scientists concluded that there is currently no unambiguous scientific evidence that the Earth is warming. If the Earth is on a warming trend, we're not likely to detect it before 1995. It is possible that a carbon dioxide-induced greenhouse effect may not be detected until 2020 at the earliest. In 1982, Exxon scientists concluded that mitigation of the greenhouse effect would require major reductions in fossil fuel combustion. In a 1982 report, Exxon scientists acknowledged that there is concern among some scientific groups that once the effects are measurable, they might not be reversible, and little could be done to correct the situation in the short term. In a 1982 report, Exxon scientists promoted a social policy that making significant changes in energy consumption patterns now to deal with this potential problem amid all the scientific uncertainties would be premature in view of the severe impact such moves could have on the world's economies and societies.